By mid-January 2021, GameStop had become a global sensation. Shares that had languished under $20 at the start of the month skyrocketed past $300 in a matter of days. The surge wasn't caused by hedge funds, financial analysts, or CEOs. It was fueled entirely by millions of ordinary retail investors coordinating online. What had started as a small rebellion on Reddit became one of the most dramatic short squeezes in financial history. Hedge funds that had bet billions against GameStop were suddenly facing catastrophic losses. Melvin Capital alone lost over $6 billion in weeks, and other firms were scrambling to cover their positions. The financial elite had underestimated the power of collective action. As retail investors bought shares and options in massive numbers, the short squeeze intensified, forcing hedge funds to purchase shares at higher and higher prices, further accelerating the rally. Social media erupted with excitement. Memes flooded Twitter, TikTok, and Reddit. Gamers, investors, and ordinary Americans celebrated their collective victory. Posts showcasing sudden gains, screenshots of portfolios, and humorous commentary went viral. Wall Street, accustomed to operating with minimal public scrutiny, was suddenly under siege by an army of meme-literate retail traders. But chaos was inevitable. Many newcomers jumped in late, buying at the peak, and faced devastating losses when the stock eventually corrected. Meanwhile, Robinhood, the trading app central to this revolution, restricted trading on GameStop and other meme stocks, citing market volatility. The move sparked outrage, with users accusing the platform of siding with hedge funds, betraying the very people who had fueled its growth. Hashtags demanding transparency and fairness went viral, and congressional attention followed. Major news outlets struggled to keep up. Interviews, panel discussions, and live updates dominated television and online coverage. Analysts debated whether retail investors had genuinely won or whether they had been used as pawns in a much larger game. Hedge funds were bruised but still operational, regulators were investigating, and the broader market had been rattled. The frenzy also had cultural significance. Ordinary Americans saw the power of coordination, community, and collective action. The story of GameStop became a symbol of resistance, a David versus Goliath narrative where everyday people challenged billionaires and shook the financial system. Do you think Robinhood did the right thing by restricting trades, or were they protecting Wall Street elites? Would you trust trading apps after seeing this happen? Comment your thoughts below.